In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Perplexity AI memory and reset personalized responses. If your answers feel a bit too tailored or you simply want a clean slate, this walkthrough will help you clear saved memories and turn off the settings that personalize responses. By the end, Perplexity will stop referencing your past activity and will respond in a more neutral way. First, open your browser and go to the Perplexity website. Once the page loads, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click it to open your account menu. This is where all your personal settings live, including the controls that influence how Perplexity learns from your usage. From that menu, choose Personalization. This page is dedicated to how the assistant adapts to you, and it's the best place to both review what's been saved and decide how much of it gets used going forward. On the personalization page, find the section labeled Manage Your Saved Memories and click Manage. This opens a list of individual memories Perplexity has stored. Think of each memory as a small note about your preferences or details you've shared that the assistant could use to shape its answers. To remove a specific item, locate the memory you want to clear and click the trash icon on the right side. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Delete to finalize. This immediately removes that memory so it won't be referenced in future replies. If you want to wipe everything at once, use the three-dot menu in the Memories view and choose Delete All Memories. Confirm the choice when prompted. This is the fastest way to reset personalization across the board. Just remember that bulk deletion can't be undone, so proceed only if you're sure you want a complete reset. Next, return to the main personalization page and find the toggle labeled Reference Search History. Click the toggle to turn it off. This prevents Perplexity from using your past searches to shape answers. It's a good option if you prefer fresh, context-free responses going forward. Right below that, turn off the toggle labeled Reference Save Memories. This stops Perplexity from drawing on any remaining or future memories when generating replies. With both toggles off, you've effectively disabled personalization. That's it. You've deleted the memories you don't want and switched off the features that reference your past activity. If you ever change your mind, you can come back here, turn the toggles back on, and Perplexity will start personalizing again as you use it. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your clean, neutral experience.